Welcome to Snowy Cake. Today we're going to make a very grumpy cat. While we're building the foundation for this cake, think about the shape of a face, how the muzzle of the cat comes out and the eye sockets go in. So we're going to cut that down on the top of the cake here. We're just cutting off the edges and then making the basic idea of a face. Now, if you look at a picture of the original Grumpy Cat, you'll see that it has really dark circles around its eyes, black eyeliner. To make the fondant face, just roll out 4 balls of fondant and then press them together to make that grumpy face and that nose. So I took some artistic license here and went ahead and made some anime-sized eyes. They're really big globes. I just thought that would be more fun. And this is just regular food coloring in water. Now we're going to let all the food coloring dry for at least 10, maybe 15 minutes, and then we'll assemble the cake. We need a lot of different colors of fur. They need to range all the way from black to white on the nose and the star in between the eyes. And also we need black eyeliner, so we're going to put that in a bag. And that'll help us go around the eyes easier. Here's those dark circles under the eyes. That's going to be glue for our foundation for the eyes. And then we'll stick those on. I decided I needed it darker. There we go. The darkness also makes the eyes show up better. Here's the eyeliner. And we're going to mix that with more dark circles. This was really fun. You don't want your ears to fall off, so make sure to think about the structure. We glued those in after we cut a nice flat base for them to sit in. And those ears are just fondant mixed with brown food coloring. The rest of this video is just adding the fur and texturing it, and I really think it's the most satisfying part, so stick around and enjoy that. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, and liking. See you next time.